I'm going to explain about Angular 17 component lifecycle. A component lifecycle is a sequence of steps that happen between the component creation and its destruction. Each steps represent a different part of Angular process for rendering component and checking them for update over time. In your component, you can implement lifecycle hook to run code during these steps. Lifecycle hook that relate to a specific component instance are implemented as a method on your component class. Lifecycle hook that relate the Angular applications as a whole are implemented as functions that accept a callback. A component lifecycle is tightly connected to how Angular check your component for changes over time. For the purpose of understanding this lifecycle, you only need to know that Angular walk your application tree from the top to bottom, checking template binding for changes. The lifecycle hook described below run while Angular is during this travel. So you should always avoid making further state changes in the middle of the process. Let's see in the detail about the component lifecycle. Here is the phase, the four phases here basically. First one the create phase, second one the changes detection phase, third one is the rendering phase, and fourth one is the destruction. In the first phase, basically the uh, constructor basically is standard JavaScript class that run when application instantiate the component. In the second phase is the change detection. We have the ng on init, ng on change, ng do check, ng after view init, and ng after component init, ng after view checked, ng after content check. These are the basically changes detection steps. ng init run once after Angular has initialized all the component input. ng on changes run every time the component input has changed. Do check run every time this component is checked for the changes. After view init run once after the component view has been initialized. After component init method run once after the component content has been initialized. After view check methods run every time the component view has been checked for change. After content check run every time this component content has been checked for change. For the rendering phase, after next render and after render methods are available. The first one is after next render runs once the next time that all component has been rendered to the DOM. After render methods run every time all component have been rendered to the DOM. In the last destructions, ng on destroy method runs once before the component has been destroyed. These are basically the life cycles of the component in Angular 17. For the more detail, I will share the link in the comment box to go through all the detail about ng on init, ng on change, and inspecting changes over with example on destroy as well. So please comment in the video comment box to get all these documents. Thank you. Thanks for watching.